Introduction to Tea for Diabetes. Tea, a simple beverage made by steeping cured leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, has been a staple in various cultures for centuries. From the British afternoon tea tradition to the elaborate tea ceremonies of Japan, tea holds a special place in societies worldwide. However, beyond its cultural significance and soothing taste, tea has garnered attention in the scientific community for its potential health benefits, particularly for individuals with diabetes. As the prevalence of diabetes continues to rise globally, finding natural and effective ways to manage blood sugar levels is more critical than ever. In this context, tea emerges as a promising ally. The Global Diabetes Challenge. Diabetes, characterized by chronic high blood sugar levels, is a major health concern affecting millions of people worldwide. It is a metabolic disorder that comes in two primary forms: type 1 diabetes, an autoimmune condition where the body attacks insulin-producing cells, and type 2 diabetes, which is often linked to lifestyle factors and insulin resistance. Both types require careful management to prevent complications such as cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, and kidney failure. While medication and lifestyle changes are essential, incorporating dietary elements that help regulate blood sugar is equally important. Tea, a natural remedy with ancient roots. Tea has been consumed for thousands of years, not only for its pleasant taste, but also for its medicinal properties. Ancient Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine have long touted tea's health benefits, including its ability to improve digestion, boost mental alertness, and promote relaxation. Modern science has begun to validate many of these claims, particularly regarding tea's impact on metabolic health and diabetes management. Types of tea and their unique benefits. There are several types of tea, each with unique properties and benefits for people with diabetes. The most common varieties include green tea, black tea, oolong tea, and white tea. Herbal teas, while not derived from the Camellia sinensis plant, also offer significant benefits. Green tea, known for its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly catechins, green tea has been extensively studied for its health benefits. Catechins, especially epigallocatechin gallai, EGCG, have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of green tea can also aid in weight management, a crucial aspect of type 2 diabetes management. Green tea contains polyphenols, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors that contribute to the progression of diabetes. Studies have demonstrated that green tea can enhance the metabolic rate and increase fat oxidation, further supporting weight control and overall health. 2. Black tea. The fermentation process that black tea undergoes gives it a robust flavor and a unique set of polyphenols. These compounds have been found to have anti-inflammatory and blood sugar lowering effects. Studies suggest that black tea can slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Additionally, black tea contains theaflavins and theorubigins, which have been shown to mimic insulin and improve insulin sensitivity. The presence of these compounds makes black tea a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Furthermore, black tea has been linked to improved cardiovascular health, which is especially important for individuals with diabetes who are at higher risk of heart disease. 3. Oolong tea. This partially fermented tea is a middle ground between green and black tea, both in flavor and in its health benefits. Oolong tea has been shown to help reduce blood glucose levels and improve insulin resistance, making it a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. The polyphenols in oolong tea can enhance insulin activity, thereby facilitating better glucose metabolism. Oolong tea also contains vitamins and minerals that support overall health, including magnesium, which plays a role in blood sugar regulation. Regular consumption of oolong tea has been associated with improved lipid profiles and reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, providing multiple benefits for those managing diabetes. 4. White tea. The least processed of all teas, white tea retains a high level of antioxidants and polyphenols. It is known for its delicate flavor and subtle aroma. White tea can help regulate glucose levels and enhance insulin secretion, supporting overall metabolic health. The catechins and polyphenols in white tea not only lower blood sugar levels, but also protect pancreatic beta cells from oxidative damage. This preservation of beta cells is crucial for maintaining insulin production and overall glucose homeostasis. White tea also has antibacterial and antiviral properties, contributing to better immune function and general well-being. 5. Herbal teas. While not true teas, herbal teas like chamomile, hibiscus, and rooibos offer their own set of benefits. Chamomile tea, for example, has been found to lower blood sugar levels and may help prevent complications related to diabetes. Hibiscus tea is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to improve blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are often concerns for people with diabetes. Rooibos tea, another popular herbal tea, contains aspalathin, a compound that has been shown to have anti-diabetic effects. These herbal teas can be enjoyed throughout the day and provide a caffeine-free alternative with a variety of health benefits. Scientific evidence supporting tea for diabetes. Numerous studies have explored the relationship between tea consumption and diabetes management. A meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reviewed several studies and concluded that regular tea consumption is associated with a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Another study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that the polyphenols in tea can mimic the effects of insulin, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. The antioxidant properties of tea are also crucial. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is elevated in individuals with diabetes and can lead to complications. By reducing oxidative stress, tea can help protect the body's cells and improve overall health. Practical tips for incorporating tea into a diabetic diet. Incorporating tea into your daily routine can be both simple and enjoyable. Here are a few practical tips. Choose unsweetened tea. To avoid unnecessary sugar intake, opt for unsweetened tea. If you prefer a sweeter taste, consider natural sweeteners, like stevia. Enjoy tea with meals. Drinking tea with meals can help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, reducing post-meal blood sugar spikes. Experiment with different varieties. Try different types of tea to find the ones you enjoy the most. Each variety offers unique health benefits, so incorporating a range of teas can provide a broader spectrum of antioxidants and polyphenols. Stay hydrated. While tea is beneficial, it's essential to stay hydrated with water as well. Aim to balance your fluid intake between tea and water to ensure adequate hydration. Conclusion: tea as a beneficial addition to diabetes management. Tea, with its rich history and proven health benefits, stands out as an excellent beverage choice for individuals with diabetes. Its ability to improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar levels, and provide a robust antioxidant profile makes it a valuable addition to a diabetes management plan. By incorporating various types of tea into your diet, you can enjoy not only the delightful flavors and aromas, but also the significant health benefits that come with this ancient beverage. Whether you prefer the grassy notes of green tea, the boldness of black tea, or the delicate taste of white tea, there's a tea for everyone. So, brew a cup, relax, and take a step towards better diabetes management with tea.